What's up? It's been a long time since we released a video, but what do you know? We're doing it. Today we did something that is very cool. We cut off the front end of the car because it was bashed up so badly. We have another part of the car out there that we hope to cut off from there and then weld onto the car. So you see, today we just cut off the part. That's what we hope to show to you today. We hope you enjoy. So here, as you can see, are the parts we have cut. My dad cut all along the bottom. Nice big cut there with the grinder. Here's the top. And here's the other side of it. Cutting right there. And here we are removing the gas line, or at least getting it out of the way. We didn't want to be cutting the gas line, quite obviously, so that's what we did. And here's Dad grinding. Here's your trophy.
That's your trophy.
Alright, well, sparks are cool. Please tune in for our next video, which will probably be coming out really soon, where we show the cutting off of that piece and the welding and making it look real good. See you then.